welcome back to Hard Work with Matt. Today we are finally going to get around to staining the deck. This is one of the first projects I did when we started this channel. I'll go ahead and put some links up here to go back to that project if you want to see what we did. We've got the deck washed down. I've got it wet and drying right now. Yes, hi duckies, hi. The Quack Pack wants to come and say hi to you guys too. So we're going to go ahead. We're using Retore-a-deck. I will put a link to that down in the description for you if you want to check that out. Known a couple people that have used it. It works pretty well. You can get it on Amazon. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and use some staining pads today and see how this comes out. Alright, so if you can see this too well, but on this part of the deck I've got one coat down. Did that with a staining pad on a stick. Didn't come out terrible. Definitely needs a second coat. Over here I've done this with a brush and just hands and knees. I really like the way that it came out, so we're just gonna keep on doing it that way. But this morning, before the sun comes out, starts hitting the deck again, I think that was part of my problem over here. We're just gonna go ahead and start brushing this and see how far we can get before the sun comes over the house. here is a look at the final product, and still need to figure out what we're going to do down here with railings and all of that. Have some ideas. We're going to redo these stairs, but overall I think it came out pretty well. Thank you all for sticking around. If you haven't yet, don't forget, hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.